Stalker 2, Heart of Chornobyl, released in September 2024, uses BattleEye anti-cheat powered by Denuvo to prevent cheating in multiplayer modes. Anti-cheat systems like BattleEye operate at a kernel level, monitoring game processes for unauthorized modifications. They scan for memory alterations, hardware anomalies, and network behaviors. Errors can arise from conflicts with antivirus software, virtual machines, or overclocked hardware. Modern trends in anti-cheat are moving towards AI-enhanced detection to reduce false positives and hardware-agnostic approaches that focus on behavioral analysis. Developers are also leveraging community feedback for fixes. Stalker 2's issues reflect broader industry problems with launch day anti-cheat failures. Expect future anti-cheat systems to become less intrusive with a focus on user experience and compatibility. It is expected that by 2030, cheat-related complaints will drop 20% due to tech improvements in the space.